Do you want your C# to be as sharp as a battle axe? Then take a good look at this code and figure out what's wrong. The warrior is supposed to taunt his enemy 3 hits before dropping to 0, do a last stand when he reaches 0, and dies the second time he reaches 0. You've got 30 seconds before the hint, but if you need more time, feel free to pause. Okay, if you got it, you've earned the right to flex by commenting easy. And if not, here is a hint if you want to keep looking for a little longer. The problem is that the last stand triggered too early. Let's say the berserk's heals drop to .4. Because this line casts the float to an int, everything after the decimal points get truncated. So the code returns 0 even though there is still 1 hit left to take. For this code to work correctly, you need to round up like this. Don't forget that the sharpest programmer leave a like before they go.